Hey guys, Dr. John here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a lacrosse ball to tack and floss through your glute and posterior hip muscles. Maybe you're foam rolling through those glutes and you're saying, John, this feels pretty easy. I've been doing this for a little while now. It feels pretty good. I think I'm all set. Well, there's another way to increase the intensity, just as you would for any strength exercise for foam rolling and tack and floss. So I have my handy dandy lacrosse ball here. And for starters, I'm gonna face away from you just so you can kind of see where we're gonna be placing that ball. You can kind of see where it sets up or where it should be. So we're gonna be thinking of putting this ball right in the middle of this meaty area on the side of our hip. And we're gonna be avoiding this greater trochanter bone on the side of our femur, as well as our sacrum, right? We do not want to be on any part of the bone, especially with a lacrosse ball. It's not gonna feel great. But I'm gonna lay on my left side, and I'm gonna put that ball right into the pocket of that hip. And you can kind of see I'm on my side, but I'm kind of turning open just a little bit, right? What I'm not doing though is I'm not sitting like this. As soon as I turn like this, now that bone's right on my sacrum, and I can kind of get into that area, but just not as well. So we're gonna stay on our side, and this is where that ball should be. Now I'm gonna turn around. All right, so still on our left side. I'm rolling around just until I find a spot that's tender. It doesn't take very long, but once I find one of those spots, then I'm going to bring my knee up and down from my chest 10 times like this. What this is doing is tacking that muscle down and then flossing it and helping to break up some of those restrictions, bring blood flow into the area, and loosen up that muscle. So once I do 10 reps on that spot, and I've lost count already, we're gonna say that's 10. Once I've done 10 reps on that spot, I'm going to roll around, find a different spot, and then rinse and repeat. Only do a total of 3 to 4 spots at a time on each hip, okay? This is a great exercise to pair with glute foam rolling, just moving around on the foam roller itself, foam rolling through that area, or with a supine or seated piriformis stretch as well, and alternating back and forth between these two exercises. Now, if this is too intense for you, but the foam roller is still too easy, then what you can do is by using the elbow that you're laying on, your other hand, and then this leg that is propped up, you can push through the floor and lift yourself up just a little bit. And then that way you control the intensity. You should not be coming up out of this exercise and saying, wow, that really hurt. I don't think I can walk for the rest of the day. That's not the point. The point is that you get the intensity for you that's best fitted for you out of this exercise. And that is how you do a glute / piriformis lacrosse ball tack and floss.